Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Union Yoga. My name's Julia. And last week we focused on a posture called Pavanamuktasana, or wind relieving pose, or little boat. From the ground up, we found the foundation of the posture. And so the next series of videos we're going to do, it's going to be a 3-part series, and it'll be on that specific posture and some variations. So we're going to get fun and creative and play a little bit with the variations. So be sure to watch the last week's video, because we will touch on or reference some of the talking points in that video. Okay, so get into something cozy and comfy and let's play. And once you do, we'll start resting on our backs with the knees bent and the soles of the feet on the ground. And just take a moment to get in touch with the ground, noticing or feeling for the back of the skull resting, the upper back and the back of the pelvis settling into the ground. Let's take a few breaths here. So inhale, notice or feel the contact of these parts of the body. Exhale, let them fall, let them go. Inhale, exhale, surrender. Good. And let's start with the first variation. So we're going to start by drawing the left leg in, left knee in. And again, you can hold above the leg or underneath or behind the leg, sorry. And the right leg can either be bent with the sole of the foot on the ground, or it can be long. So you decide what feels most comfortable and most relaxing. Okay. So from here, we're going to try that piece as we did in video 1, or the foundations video from the ground up. You're going to inhale, take that left leg away. As you exhale, let the weight of the pelvis drop. As you draw that left leg in, again, as soft as possible. So it's not about tensing up in the upper body. Let it fall. Inhale away. Exhale, fall. One more inhale away. Exhale, pelvis drops, leg comes in. Good, and then from here you can rock the leg a little bit, side to side, let the shin and foot dangle. Then you can start to create circles. Yeah, let the circles be nice and soft. So this becomes more about the hip joint. It's a great way to massage the hip joint and hip tension. And then make sure you circle the other way. Good. You may notice it's starting to massage a little bit on the one side of the lower back. Excellent. So from here, keep that leg drawn in, and you're going to take the right leg up towards the ceiling. Yeah, and keep that knee bent. So it's not about, pointing the foot and jamming the kneecap back or up. Let that knee be soft. Let the left leg fall heavy, heavy towards the torso. And then on an in-breath, same thing here. You're going to inhale, take that leg slightly away, not too far so that it becomes too tight and tense and engaging in the hip, but just slightly, just to create a little movement. As you exhale, drop that pelvis. Let that right leg draw towards you a little bit. Inhale away. Exhale, drop and draw. And the movements can be so tiny. And then you can start to create circles with that leg. And again, you can let that pelvis kind of rock a little side to side as you circle the leg. That's totally fine. Just a little massage for that lower back. Excellent. And then bringing that leg back to the center. Give it a little bit of a shake. Take a big breath in here. Exhale, drop the pelvis. Let that leg lengthen away from the pelvis. Lower it to the ground. Let it soften, let it drop, let it be heavy. Excellent. And now drawing that right leg in to meet the left. Take a moment to draw both legs in, rock a little side to side. And massaging out that lower back. Keep that right leg drawn in this time. Left leg either knee bent with the sole of the foot on the ground or leg long. Again, I didn't mention this on the other side, but make sure that long leg side, if you are extending that leg, that it's nice and heavy and relaxed. So again, it's not about engaging the muscles. Let them go, yeah? And what will help is thinking of the weight of the bones falling, connecting that out breath to the weight of the bones, surrendering over to the ground. Again, drawing that right leg in, keeping the upper body nice and soft. Inhale the leg away. Exhale, drop the pelvis, draw the leg in. Try 2 more. Good, and then you can place the hands behind the leg if you like, or keep them above the shin. And then create those circles, nice soft circles. And then make sure you circle the other way. Excellent. And then drawing that left leg up towards the ceiling. Again, soft knee, heavy leg. Inhale that left leg away slightly. Exhale, drop the pelvis, let the leg draw in towards you. Inhale away. Exhale towards. Good. Coming back to the center on your own time, circling that leg. And then the other way. So just be mindful that the circles don't get too big and you're like tensing or gripping in the lower back. Keep it small, keep it subtle. Good. And coming back to the center on your own time. Inhale, exhale, drop the pelvis and lengthen that left leg away, away, away from the pelvis. Resting that left leg on the ground. Let it be heavy. Excellent. Again, drawing both legs in. Rock a little side to side. Circle the legs if you like. And then we'll take a little counter pose here. So what you can do is roll onto your belly, because this is great to get both hip flexors extended. So coming onto the belly, again, you can choose to rest the forehead on the hands and the upper body on the ground. I'm just going to keep it up just to prevent the mic from getting crushed. So from here, you can bend the knees and rock the legs a little bit side to side, massaging the thighs and the hip flexors. And there you have it. A nice little counter pose to this variation. So that is the variation part 1. So you can take your time with these practices. Sometimes I spend about 15 minutes just doing that little series, and it relieves so much low back tension and hip tension. So stay tuned for our next video, which will be the variations, little boat variations part 2. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share the video. So yogis, enjoy your future practices, exploring your body, your breath, your movement. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the mat very soon. Think love, speak love, be love. Namaste.